This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 5011. This shape runs from the 12th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tailgate garnish. Tailgate has two small dents on the top of the tailgate. Right tailgate garnish, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.